these years, in the last years in particular, in the last 5 years, 6 years, I observe I'm more interested in this kind of techniques from my colleagues of physicians, in particular from oncologists, for example, but also from doctors of the territories that send us the patient for the neurosurgeon pathologists, and also from our colleagues neurosurgeons, yes. We perform, in particular, hypofractionation for pathologists, in particular for benign tumors, for example, benign pathologies like meningiomas, acoustic neuromas, pituitary adenomas, and also in malignant disease, for example, in gliomas or in metastasis, we can perform some hypofractionation. In particular, 3 or 5 fraction. We don't go over the 5 fraction normally for the treatments, for the hypofractionation treatment, because the CyberKnife was born in particular for hypofractionation and to use doses, high doses to perform the treatment, and also to treat large disease, large metastases or large tumors. So we perform in particular hypofractionation. But there are some cases, in particular the AVMs, where we perform a single fraction. In AVMs, for example, or in some kind of metastasis, that in particular if they are too small or particular small, we utilize the single fraction, because we observe that and the literature, the scientific literature is agree with us that is for some pathologies like AVMs is more useful a single fraction than hypofractionation. So we have a lot of patients that we treat in single fraction. Yes.